Trusted, local, and caring, Memorial Pharmacy in Corpus Christi offers custom compounding, fast refills, and free delivery.
Family-like care.
At Memorial Pharmacy, we believe in treating every customer like family.
As a community-based independent pharmacy, we provide hands-on care, affordable medications, and personalized service you can count on.
Local service.
Conveniently located in Corpus Christi, Texas, we proudly serve our neighbors with professional support, friendly staff, and a welcoming atmosphere that sets us apart from large chain pharmacies.
Full-service pharmacy.
Our services include free consultations, prescription refills, prescription transfers, custom compounding, free local delivery, prescription mailing, auto refills, text or email refill notifications, and home health supplies to support your daily wellness needs.
Custom compounding.
Need a medication tailored to your specific needs?
Our compounding pharmacy services offer personalized solutions made with care and precision because every patient is different.
Vaccines and wellness. We also offer important vaccinations, vitamins, and wellness products for your everyday health needs. Affordable options.
Patients appreciate our fast service, knowledgeable pharmacists, and commitment to finding affordable options whenever possible, including working with insurance plans and physicians to help lower prescription costs.
Your neighborhood pharmacy for trusted care, convenience, and personalized solutions.
Call Memorial Pharmacy today to refill a prescription, transfer your medications, ask about custom compounding, or speak directly with a caring pharmacist, or visit mymemorialpharm.com to request a refill, explore services, and contact the team anytime.